Hello everyone. Now, our earlier video we was discussed about the networking. We was completely discussed what is networking. Now, the next point is the type of networking. Now, next point is the type of network. Networking can be categorized. Network is categorized in a three main part. First one is a LAN. Second one, MAN. Third one is WAN. LAN stands for local area network. LAN stands for local area network. MAN stands for metropolitan area network. Last one is the wide area network. As the name suggests, LAN, local area network, mean local area network is a network which is established in a small range. Mean when we connect more than one computer, within a same floor, mean within a same room, same floor, same building, or within a same campus, that they can easily share the information, file as well as resources too. Then these type of network known as a local area network. For example, school network, cyber cafes. In school network there are various components, the computer labs are connected with each other. They are situated in a separate floor, separate buildings, that they are eligible to share the information and files as well as resources too. So these type of network comes under the point local area network. Next point is the MAN. MAN stands for metropolitan area network. MAN stands for metropolitan area network, which is larger than in size compared to LAN. MAN, it connects the two separate area of a district, two separate area of the particular town, where we can connect the multiple areas of any city with the help of metropolitan area network. For example, the cable TV network, radio channels, and the local banking systems, where bank offices are comes under the example of metropolitan area network. Suppose if we talk about the metropolitan area network example, the best example is radio TV channel. In a separate city, there are various radio channels which spread out and transmit the same information within a city. Suppose we talk about the 93.5 Red FM. This is the unique radio network which is spread out over India, but it transmits the several separate information according to the city wise. If we tuned a 93.5 radio FM in Allahabad, it transmits the information related to the Allahabad and give the advertisement related to the Allahabad. But similarly, when it transmits in any other city, it will transmit the information according to the particular city. So this is the best example of metropolitan area network, where we transmit the information according to the need, and it covers the larger area than compared to LAN. Next one is the WAN. WAN stands for wide area network. Mean it through wide area network we can easily, with the help of wide area network, we can easily connect across the whole world with the help of wide area network. Here wide area network mean it provides a facility to transmit the information from one geographical location to another geographical location across the whole world. The best example of wide area network is internet. इंटरनेट की हेल्प से आपने सबने यूज किया होगा, व्हाट्सएप, फेसबुक, ट्विटर, इंस्टाग्राम, ये सब हम लोग यूज करते हैं. with the help of these social networking sites, we can easily send the message from one location to another location. For example, we are all are using a Facebook, and currently think you that my one friend is living in America, and currently we send hello with the help of Facebook. So it is in a fraction of second it transmit from India to America with the help of internet. So internet is a network which provides us a facility to connect the two different geographical locations within a fraction of second. They can easily start the conversation and communicate their information and thoughts with each other. So the best example of wide area network is internet. Now we will discuss about the types of network. Now next come to the transmission media. That means when we transfer any information from one into another we need a media, or we need a medium through which we can transmit the information. Similarly, when we talk to each other, there is a medium is medium is working. For example, when we say anything and the receiver is receiving the information, at that time the air work as a mediator through which my voice is audible to the particular receiver. Now, according to the network, the transmission media is here also use some transmission media. There are two types in networking. The media categorized in two types. First one is the guided media. Second one is the unguided media. And guided media also categorized and established with the help of two types: twisted pair and coaxial. Similarly, unguided media established with the help of radio and microwaves. Firstly, we talk about the guided media. When we talk about the guided media, in guided media networking, the routes are fixed in the form of hardware. That means when we establish a networking with the help of guided media, we are using cables for connecting the multiple computers. Similarly, again, here not the computer refers only a system which is having a desktop, keyboard, mouse. Here the computer mean is any devices which provide us a facility for establishing a communication. Now, the guided media, in guided media we are connecting more than one computer in the form of physical connected, means we use a cable for connecting more than one computer. For connecting computer we can use the two type of cable. First one is the twisted pair cable and second one is the coaxial cable. Twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cable is a cable through which we can connect the multiple computer in a single room, in a same floor, or multiple floors in a same building. Whole building we can connect, and also connect the different buildings. Okay. Here the twisted pair cable is a seen like that. There are 4 pairs of wires. These are twisted with each other. In twisted pair cable, there are 4 pair of wires which is twisted with each other, and this is normally used for establishing a networking.